I love the hands-on experience. I'm a biology and environmental science major, and I think instead of being in the classroom, we should be out there in the environment. I chose ISDSI because in this program you get to live with the people and really interact with them and learn the language and the culture. You just can't get that looking at pictures in a book.
ISDSI is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to have hands-on experience and be out there in the field while gaining academic credit. So I just fell in love with Thailand.
Coming to Maytag, a local village here, being able to talk to local community members, and able to see into their daily lives. It's interesting because the whole time I was talking to him and learning from him, I was like, wow, this man's a visionary. And I spent my life, trying to learn from people like Malcolm X, Martin Luther King Jr., trying to learn from people who have this great idea of the future. And here I am at ISDSI able to talk to another visionary.
Oh! Something that ISDSI does that's really unique is combining language and cultural studies with environmental studies through this lens of sustainable development. So we can really see how people and ecology come together. I've studied marine biology and oceanography, and doing the same studies here in Thailand through this lens of sustainable development is something that's been incredible.
With ISDSI, I've seen how multiple issues interlock with one another, and some of my favorite memories from the field courses have been with my host families. Their lifestyle just requires having a strong community. They don't have to rely on money, they can rely on their natural resources around them. As a city student from the United States, that's nothing I've ever seen before in my life. When I decided I wanted to come to ISDSI, I knew that I wanted to be in a program where I could really be pushed to learn the underlying issues that are going on in the country and values of the culture. ISDSI is definitely a fuller version of study abroad, and I personally think that's what every study abroad experience should be like.